Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the end of July 2025, our system has categorized MicroStrategy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects no change, remaining at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the lower section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which may present an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $395.53 is breached, it will initially indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 6.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging between 4.45% and 21.65%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of 67.81%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 34.04% to 173.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $538.63 and $1,100.59. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy includes the headline: MicroStrategy Incorporated stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 1.73% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025. The price rose from $395.04 to $401.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.42%, with a low of $397.15 and a high of $410.74. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 10.96% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 3 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 10 million shares changing hands for approximately $4.01 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 25.99%, or $141.14. Below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy reported impressive financial results for the second quarter of 2025, posting a record net income of $10 billion and earnings per share of $32.60, marking its first profitable quarter in 6 quarters. This significant turnaround can be attributed to a rally in cryptocurrency prices, particularly Bitcoin, where MicroStrategy holds substantial assets as the largest corporate holder. Their quarterly operating profit soared to $14 billion, primarily driven by a favorable accounting rule change that benefits its financial reporting framework. Additionally, the company announced an at-the-market program of up to $4.2 billion, allowing it to issue shares of its Series A preferred stock. This could be a strategic move to further bolster its capital for acquisitions, especially in Bitcoin, which reflects its ongoing commitment to digital assets. In the short term, these results are likely to boost investor confidence, potentially driving up the stock price as positive market sentiment converges with the company's strong earnings performance. In the long term, MicroStrategy's strategy of accumulating Bitcoin could position it favorably as cryptocurrency continues to gain traction, solidifying its role in the financial ecosystem. Overall, these developments suggest a bullish outlook for MicroStrategy as it navigates an evolving market landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity gave MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays gave MSTR a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and so far it has risen by 1.82%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels at $404.12 and $402.94. A breakout above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $383.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk level is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.59 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.42%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -12 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $414.38. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy faces its first support level at $383.88. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroStrategy from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 29th of July, 2025, Brigger Peter L. Jr. executed an insider purchase of 220,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the same date, Li Fong made an insider purchase of 5,500 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Also on that day, Hatton Jared M. purchased 5,555 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Additionally, Montgomery Janine acquired 5,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock on the 29th of July. Lastly, Kang Andrew bought 2,800 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.888. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 378,164 shares, while selling 256,234 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $379.26, reflecting a decrease of 5.62%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated currently presents several negative signals, categorizing it as a potential sell candidate. However, considering the general opportunity for a turnaround, it may be more prudent to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might want to retain or accumulate shares while monitoring further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold status since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the prior trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we anticipate that MicroStrategy will open higher by $1.39, beginning trading at $403.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.